Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2022 BMW X7 40i. Now, let's just take a look at this. These are factory pillow headrests, which are absolutely amazing. Hop inside, look at that panoramic sunroof. Right here is climate controls for the rear seats. Good amount of room back there, and I will say this is possibly one of the most comfortable back seats. Every single seat in here is heated, which is really cool. X7 down on this here. This, I believe, is for you to put in rear entertainment or like a clothes hanger, something like that. USB-C charging. Of course, this is powered by the turbo inline 6. Heated steering wheel, of course. This is cognac, I believe is how you pronounce it. Heated armrest as well. Beautiful airbag cover stitching. Let's see here. You also have backup assistant that's going to take how you got into this spot and get you out. So we're going to look at how I got into that spot. I don't think my steering adjustments were that harsh, but it's basically going to follow the line that the car took to get you into the spot. As you set forth, you get the seat belts will tighten, and then you're ready to go. I do want to say this is the B58. I might be wrong, but I love this engine. I loved it in the X5. You do get very muffled burbles on the overrun. Do a quick acceleration. We're in sport mode, and then I'm going to go into sport transmission, and then I'll go into paddles, but we're going to start in normal drive. The one thing I noticed with this car is it kind of shrinks around you, especially driving dynamically. I did the appraisal of this the day I took the X5 home, and they're both 40i's. And I noticed how similar this was to drive in an enthusiastic manner. They drive very similar. However, when I'm cruising around, I definitely feel that longer wheelbase. So it's kind of cool how this car is able to shrink around itself, shrink the wheelbase down, and become a very fun car to drive. just a really, really nice place to be. I have to say, I am definitely very comfortable in this car. I've always said BMW makes the best driving normal German cars. Once you start getting to the M, the S, the RS, the AMG, it starts to change a little bit for some of the models. It gets much closer. But in terms of your normal models, X7, 7 Series, 5 Series, I've found that these are, I think, the most fun. I mean, it always bounces back and forth, and they're all pretty close. But in terms of driver feedback and just being fun to really drive in an aggressive manner, these BMWs are just so good. I love these cars. Loved the X5. I've driven the X3. Love the X3. I've driven the 3 Series. I've driven a 550i. Love that thing. They're all really, really good cars. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.